Hello, hello mga sis! Let's pamper our fur baby with #1 all-system professional pet grooming products in the Philippines. Una ko nga palang prepare ang kanilang shampoo at conditioner. 1 ml shampoo to 5 ml of water and 1 ml of conditioner to 5 ml of water. And then, mekos-mekos na natin yan. So, here's the step 1. Completely wet the coat. Kailangan basang-basang ating mga fur baby para mabilis nilang ma-absorb yung product. So, gumamit na tayo ng whitening shampoo ng #1 all system. And step 2, apply generous amount of product mixture and lather gently. Grabe, sobrang bula na itong shampoo na to at sobrang bango nito guys. Bango niya is mild lang at hindi masakit sa ilong. Next is, babaran natin ng 3 to 5 minutes ang product. After namin banlawan, gumamit na kami ng botanical conditioner ng #1 all system. So, here's the step 4, apply product on white parts of the coat. Dahil wala naman siya masyadong white coats, kaya in-apply na namin sa buong katawan niya. Grabe, ang lambot nito pagkatapos. Tuwan-tuwa talaga yung mga fur babies nyo. Then, banlawan na natin. That's it. Thank you, all system!